These persons hope that one day they will be able to leave the island and perform elsewhere. They not only have the time to explore their talents on the weekends but also dance on Fridays as well, and they live in the Uchumalai Island, which is the second largest island of the chain of Kalpiti Islets. However, at present they have lost their cultural identity. The reason for this is the medium of study at the Uchumalai Roman Catholic Tamil Vidyalaya, which teaches until grade 5, be changed to Sinhala. Education authorities at the northwestern province resorted to this measure as a result of the lack of Tamil medium teachers to conduct classes at this school in Sinhala only on 4 days of the week. If one thinks that it is not suitable and not sufficient for one, he or she should move to a school in Kalpitiya. The cost of one boat trip to make that journey to Kalpitiya is 5,000 rupees. The people of this island who are fishermen by profession also have the burden of this additional expenditure on their laurels. The reason is because they have to reach the Kalpitiya port, which is 14 kilometers away from the Uchumalai island, in order to sell their produce. Although these are the people who come down the generations that lived in this island for more than a century and contribute to the national economy, they are yet to receive their right to the lands.
තාමේ උපුනේ මේ පාදරලා කියනවා අර දෙනවා ඊට දෙනවා කියලා ඒක අපිට විශ්වාස කරන්න බෑ තාම සුවර්ණේ.
When compared to the other islets of Kalpitiya, these locals say that they have sufficient drinking water. Although it has not been medically proven that the water here is good for one's health, the locals of the islet are of the views that the water that is dug up from the ground is not harmful to their bodies. However, it is questionable whether or not the groundwater is contaminated by these materials that are seen on the shores of the island. Despite the Kalpitiya Pradesh Sabha has not taken any measure to remove this waste, a ballot box is dispatched to the Uchumalai island during every election to gain the votes of these islanders. In addition to the ballot box being placed in the island, it was over 3 years ago that electricity poles and a generator were brought to this island.
ජෙනිය දුන්නා මේ මේ උච්චමනේ ගරන්න දෙන්න කියලා. පෙර වැඩි. ජෙනියක මදි. දන් කියන්න අපි පෑන් එක අදලා දෙන්න නැත්නම් තව ජෙනියක් දෙන්න.
In a backdrop where there are many uplifting programs taking place, is it not the responsibility of the government to not neglect the lives of 250 families by simply not even conducting mobile clinics? Chairman of the Putlam District Development Coordinating Committee, this is over to you.